alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Mohammed Abdullah Nasser Sharaf. I am going to talk about lighting strikes, a transmission line, and a subject power system protection with Dr. KHAIRUL ANWAR IBRAHIM. What is the transmission line in power system? Transmission line carries electronic energy from one point to another in an electric power system, and they carry alternating current or direct current, or we can say that it is a system combination of both. Also, electric current can be carried by either overhead or underground lines. What happens when lighting strikes a transmission line? Lighting affects the work or the performance of power line by direct and indirect effect, and this thing is illustrating in the figures where the transmission high voltage may cause flashover on the electrical equipment on the power line. As for the lighting, the direct lighting strikes may intercept with line conductors, towers, or shielding wires. So when it does, the result surge of high voltage current is conducted to power stations where it can knock out transformers and other equipment, causing loss of electrical service to home and also a business in the area served by that power. And also, this thing it need or takes hours and maybe few days to repair the damage and restore the service. What should we do to protect transmission line? Transmission protection system productivity: identify the location of faults and isolate the voltage section. Whether occurrences affect just a small section or distribution system or a single distribution circuit. So the following is time graded overcurrent protection, overcurrent and earth fault protection of transmission lines. So the general practice is to employ a set of 2 or 3 overcurrent relays as it is illustrated in the figure to protect against phase-to-phase faults, and separate overcurrent relay for single line to ground fault. We have two way to protect transmission line: differential protection and distance protection. The differential protection: in case of transmission line, implementation of differential protection requires a communication channel to transmit current values to other end. It can be used for short feeders, or a specific implementation is known as polite wire protection. Differential protection tends to be extremely accurate. So for the distance protection is a non-uni system of protection which measures the impedance between the relay location and the point where the fault is incident and compares it with the set value. Also, if the measured impedance is less than set value, the relay operates and isolates the faculty section. Main root cause of the incident: lighting is the main cause of transmission line failure, and it is important to improve the lighting protection level of the transmission line for the stability of power system. And because of the result, surge of high voltage current is conducted to power stations where it can knock out transformers and other equipment, causing loss of electricity service to home and business. What is the impacts or consequences of that problems? So we have here 4, which is equipment failure and electric power supply interruption and death of humans, birds, or animals, and the last one, significant material losses. So what should we do to prevent this event from happening in the future? We have to use a highly efficient protection system and maintain power transmission line from damage of or malfunction. Because of the truth is that we cannot stop or control the lightning strike, but we can create a protection system. Thank you.